What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in this tutorial, I will explain you how you can set the index value for a file. So let's begin.
Hey myself Betty, I'm Lakshit's assistant. I make sure that his videos are helpful to you. Please tell me your video experience in the comment box so that I can tell Lakshit to improve his videos. And I'll keep your extra care if you subscribe to his channel and also press the bell icon. I and Lakshit will really appreciate it if you complete this 10-second task. Thank you.
So here you can see that we have a separate column for the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. But we want a number as an index. So how can we do that? It does not look good that we have a separate index and a separate number line. So how can we make them one? For that, we first take the file variable, then we use a function set underscore index. Then here in this parentheses, we have to put the name of the column which we want to set as an index. In this case, we want to put numbers as an index. If you run this out, you can see that the column number has been set as index. So, and one more thing, if I run this again, it will be retained as the same. But how can you improve that? For that, you have to create a new variable, let's say dr7, and here in dr7 you can put the value of this, and if you run this out, dr7, you can get the value every time you run this variable. Also, you can set others as a variable. Let me show you one more thing. Let's say dr8 equals to, let's say if you want to set, oops, let's say dr6 dot set underscore index. What if we set address as an index? Let's see what will happen. address, you can see the address has been assigned as a index. And again, if you run this dr7, let's see what will happen now. You can see that the number has been set as index. You can play with them. You can set order id as an index or number. It's your choice. So thank you, and meet you in the next tutorial.